phytochemicals which are the enhances the absorption and stability of the essential nutrients. You know that about the most of the nutrients which are the absorbed by the our intestine, and most of the phytochemicals which are helps in our body for the absorption and stabilize the essential nutrients in our body for the decomposition and increase the energy level of our body. Then most of these growth factor which are the beneficial bacteria which are used like that we can use as a yogurt as a functional food, and most of the beneficial bacteria which are the selective growth factor which are helpful our body digestion and our uh, uh, other body treatment and other treatment of the diseases. Then next, fermentation substrate for the beneficial bacteria. Most of the beneficial bacteria which are increased during fermentation process, and during fermentation process we can use as a substrate as a beneficial substrate for the increase and development of the beneficial bacteria, and these beneficial bacteria which are helpful in our body. Then as a inhibitors in the deleterious intestinal bacteria. What is the intestinal bacteria? Most of the intestinal bacteria which are helpful in our digestion and our the increase our digestion, and which use as an active stool bulking agent, which are the most of the uh, diseases like that the which are inhibit or the most of the intestinal bacteria which are the harmful our body for the elimination our body. Method to enhance the active components in our food, or the what is the enhancement when we reach or the fulfillment of the active components, and when we can use food components, or the what is the active components we can use in our food. What is the manipulation? After that, first is the manipulating the diet to get maximum level of the active components. What is the manipulation? Most of the most most of the manipulation time you we can use the our manipulate our diet, which are the fulfillment of the most of the fruits, vegetables, herbs, spices, and other ingredients which are rich in minerals, active components, and which are the nutraceutical ingredients enrichment. We can manipulate that type of. After that, combination of the food ingredients for the rich in the nutraceuticals. Most of the nutraceuticals which are the enrichment of the both the ingredients are the combined to each other, like that the most ingredients like we know that the Himalaya products, the like Chyawanprash, where most of the ingredients or the most of the spices or the herbal products which are combined to give us nutraceutical ingredients, or the most of the nutraceutical ingredients which are the our body, or the enhancement, or the combination of those all of the food ingredients which are more rich to our nutraceutical products or the food material. Then fortifying food with active ingredients. Most of the fortified food which are used as a active ingredients, and most of the active ingredients which are used as a uh, active food agents or active agents, and you use as a nutraceutical. By fermentation process we can mm, change the food products in our active components, or the in our nutraceutical products. We know that the milk is the resource of the calcium also, and then after that the fermentation of milk we know we know that about the yogurt or curd. Yogurt are after the fermentation process, we know that the most of the beneficial bacteria which are the helpful in our digestion, we fermented the food products, and after that we can use as a nutraceutical ingredient or nutraceutical food. After the that uh, for the method of for the enhancing the active components in the food, changing the food habits to natural types of the diet. Most of the natural types of the diet in like that. uh, I am mentioned that in that category we know that the most of the salads, raita, or in Marathi koshambir. Most of the changing habitude, we know that the most of the we can eat raw as well as broiling food to the natural type of the diet, and we can know about, or we can reach from this type of the food the most of the nutraceutical ingredients, as well as it gives the beneficial function or functional food, we can use as a functional food. Next, what is the functional foods? What is the functional foods? Which are the foods which are give a positive effect on our health beyond basis of the nutrition. Most of the functional foods which gives positive effect on our body and act as a nutrients, or which are provides as well as nutrients our body. Then most of the functional foods which are the promotes the health and reduce the risk of the diseases, and in that pre and probiotic food which are the helpful in our optimal health or a regular metabolism our body, and also helps in the reduce the risk of the diseases. And after that, the some functional foods are the modified by using, we know that after before slide we know that the most of the modified or the changing as a use as a such as raw material, raw eating, then fermentation process, and most of the mixing of the or combination of the most of the foods which are gives a modification in functional foods, and which also helpful in our treatments of the diseases. Then most of the common example is the orange juice as the fortified with calcium for the bone health. Then next, the functional foods promotes that the optimal health and reduce the risk of diseases, and the FDA which are regulates the claim about the manufacturer, which are the most of the manufacturers which are about can make about functional foods nutrient content and effect on diseases health or our body functions. Most of the functional foods which gives specifies their function of our body for the regular metabolism, then health, and our regulatory our body functions. Most of the evidence which are the supports the observation of the functional foods which containing the physiological active ingredients or components, and which are the help for plant as well as animal sources, which are the enhances the our body health. And then most of the health conscious consumers which are increasingly seeking about the functional foods, and for and efforts for to control their own health and all human health well-being. Then most of the functional foods which are used as a functional, or we can eat for as a functional and health conscious consumers which are focuses on the functional foods. And then after that, the most of the complexity of the that type of food sources or substances which are affect on the metabolic changes and may occur the dietary changes, and the lack of the surrogates and make disease development, which you reduces the complexity and our risk of the diseases. Then in functional food, the additional research is necessary to provide the potential health benefits and to those foods which are the diet health relationship and are not sufficiently scientifically validated in our country or another area, or in we know that the additional research is must be promoted for the necessary in our functional food areas. Thank you. all of you. And after that, the last of the sessions, we concluded that the in under Canadian law in Canada, most of the nutraceutical foods marketed as a food or as a drink, and it have no legal destinations in that for the use of the most of the nutraceuticals and functional foods. And in that, the most of the nutraceuticals and functional foods, such as we know, in the form of, we know that such as tablets, capsules, and liquids or powders. And uh, after in history, Western medicine father Hippocrates advocated the healing effects of the foods by using most of the nutraceutical and functional foods. Then most of the in India, we know that the midday meal program, ICDS program, we know that the most of the nutraceutical products and uh, functional food. We know that the ICDS program, Integrated Child Development Program, and midday meal program, we use most of the functional food or nutraceutical food, or most of the ingredients which are added the active ingredients for the fulfillment of the body development and regulation of the other body metabolism. So thank you all of you, and
I'd like to thank you on the behalf of all our organizers and the behalf of participants. I would hereupon introduce our organizers, Mr. Shripad Kakade. He's also a master's in food technology, and he's working into bakelite bakery industry in Pune. And one more organizer is Shrikant Maske. He's an assistant professor from last 2 years, and he's also an PhD scholar this year. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being here. And myself,
mm,
Prafulya Tavre, is winding up with the session. So, anything you want to speak?
thank you all of you. And for this session, we can choose for me for this session or for this webinar. Thank you, and I'm very thankful all of you, and thankful to participants. And stay safe, stay home, and stay healthy.